Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So it's nice and dry outside, not quite sunny, and it's a bit lighter, so hopefully you'll be able to see my clothes that I got this time from Stitchfix. So I did take it out of the box to do my thumbnail, but obviously I haven't unwrapped it yet. So it looks like some nice colourful pieces there. And also in the box you will receive some paperwork, but I always leave that towards the end. I'm just going to have a quick look and see who my stylist. This time it's Mel. I don't think I've had Mel before. Okie dokie, just before we start the video, just want to say a big thank you to my subscribers. Keep tuning in, leaving your comments and liking my videos. It is much appreciated. Mwah, thank you. And for any new subscribers, thank you very much. I am running the January giveaway of the Emily Knoll palette. Photos here. I'm sure my regulars are probably sick of seeing this by now. It's just to let the new ones know that there is a giveaway and it's open to international. Right, okay, so let's get into this bundle. So like with my other clothing subscription, I didn't ask for anything in particular. I just let them decide what they think would suit me. Let's see if they got it right this time. So just get rid of the paper because it's hella noisy. Have a slurp of coffee. Nice. So the first piece is in fact I think they're all jumpers. It's quite a nice pink, black spots, just a regular little jumper. Quite nice, as long as it's not too boxy. Okay. I mean, no, it's a jumper. And we have another one, which this is not a colour that I would particularly gravitate towards, apart from I get makeup all over the place. In fact, I'm quite hesitant to even try it on because I do have makeup on today. So I don't think I will actually try that on simply because it's not something that I would lean towards buying. It's beautiful and soft, I will say, but it's got that fluffy texture. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I could see myself wearing that. This is more like a sweatshirt material. It's, what colour would we say that was? I guess like a brownie, I don't know. It's a, oh, I don't know, it's just, I'm not sure this is a flattering colour. I think it's going to wash me out a little bit. It's quite like a sweatshirt material, quite a basic. And it looks like we have jeans, no doubt more skinny jeans. These are just a regular, little bit of stretch in them. They do have pockets, thank you for listening. I don't like them pretend like legging type, whatever they're called. So yeah, they're just a regular, I think they're black or they're a very dark grey. And then we have, okay, another pair of jeans. These have got a bit of stretch in them as well. Again, these are a straight leg. Nice colour. I like the little bit of distressing around this area. Okay, well, that is it. I'm going to try them on. I can't say I'm uber excited about this box. I particularly asked for no more skinny jeans. I'm looking for that perfect bootcut jean, and well, they haven't delivered that, have they? So I don't know. Right, we're back in 2 secs, get this lot tried on and then see where we go from there. So see you soon. Hi guys, so as you can see I have the sweatshirt on with my first outfit. It's very comfortable. It's quite baggy. I paired it with the blue type jeans. But yeah, it's comfortable. I'm not sure the colour like does wash me out just a fraction, maybe a little bit. I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. And then on to the jeans. So the jeans, I have to say, are quite comfortable. Did have to turn them up because they're a little bit too long, but that's fine. Yeah, it's plenty of stretch, plenty of movement in them. Thing is, do I need another pair of skinny jeans? But they do feel nice, they do feel good quality, and they feel like a proper pair of jeans. Okay, so that was an outfit number 1. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. Did you like this combination? It was alright. I decided I'm not going to risk trying on the white jumper because obviously if I get makeup on it, I'm going to have to buy it. It's not something that I'm interested in keeping. If I was interested in keeping it, I would obviously try it on, but I'm not going to risk it. So I'm going to pop on the other jeans with the other jumper, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so here we are with the second jumper. This is like pastely light pink. It's very pretty actually, with the black polka dots on it. This half I love, but it's too short for me. It's too boxy, and I really don't like the length of it. For a little bit sort of longer, just past my hips a bit more. So it's a shame because it's really nice as well, and it feels amazingly soft. Again, I feel like this is really good quality. I love the colour, it's really, really pretty. And then onto the jeans. Jeans fit, again, lovely. I do like these jeans. So I just pop them on with a little pair of Chelsea boots. I'll lay you down a little bit more. I did have to turn them up very, very slightly. So I'll need to look on the playback to see whether they actually do look flattering or not, as the case may be. But yeah, they're okay. Quite like them. Good movement as well, good stretch. Like the fit. I don't need a belt on. They fit perfectly all over. Right, okay, so just going to take this off, my lovelies, and then we'll go through the paperwork, pricing, and what I'm inclined to keep and what, if anything, I'm not going to keep. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, so we're back with the final part of my video. This is where I go through paperwork, pricing, what I like, what I didn't like. I have to say I found this box maybe slightly boring. Probably my fault because I didn't request any particular pieces, and the stylist chose these. I felt the pics were quite safe, and I felt a little bit, this is going to sound really stupid, but I felt like these pieces were a bit mumsy. I like the rock chick vibe, not, these pieces were just like too mumsy. Here I say, being a nan, but that's how I feel. Right, let's go through the pricing then. So I did like this little pink jumper, black spots on it. I just found it a little bit boxy and a little bit short. Would I buy it if it was? No, I still wouldn't buy it, but I do like it. It's okay. I probably do really contradict myself, but I know what I mean. So the brand is Oasis. It's called the Printed Spot Knit Jumper. The colour is pink. It's in a size large, and it's £38, which I feel like is, the quality is there. It feels beautiful. It feels soft, but £38, no, not happening. Then we had the sweatshirt. Now I quite like this. Again, I felt like this was a bit of a funny shape as well. It was kind of oversized, but it stopped in a strange place. It needed to be a little bit longer to carry off the wideness of it. And I just felt like this stopped at the wrong place. I did try and do a front tuck with jeans, but because the material was quite thick, it didn't look too good. I did try it on with the black jeans, with black boots, the black jeans, and this. I thought that combination worked. Perhaps should have tried that way around in the first place. But I did try it on my own, and I felt that combination worked pretty much okay. Would I buy it? Let's see. Warehouse funnel neck sweater. Oh, the colour is camel. It's size 16 and this is £34. Again, the quality is there, so if the prices are high, you know, you're going to get the quality. Then we had this little jumper here that I was too scared to try on. It's quite fluffy, nice quality on that as well. I was just too scared to wear it. So this is by Mango. This is the Copu mock neck pullover. The colour is off-white. It is a size large and this is $29.99. I thought that's quite good value for money. It's a shame it's in the off-white colour. This would look quite nice with faux leather leggings or the skirt that I've got. It's a shame. Right, okay, next we have Editor's Cut, the blue jeans. Iris Authentic Premium Twill in blue, size 36, £45. I like the jeans, they fit well. Didn't need a belt on. I just feel like, do I need any more skinny jeans, particularly in blue? But I did like the fit. They were pretty much comfortable. I'll have to have a look on the playback to see whether I think they look flattering. Let me know down below whether you thought they looked flattering, please. And then last of all, we had the black ones, black jeans. These are by Milvet. They're the Vivian Height Rise Skinny Stretch. Oh, these are grey, so it's like a grey wash. These are a size 36 and these were £42. I think out of the two jeans, I probably preferred these better. I like the fit on them. Again, I'll have to look on playback. And I probably have more things that would go with black jeans than I would with this particular blue. Out of the whole box, I'm thinking to keep these. I wouldn't necessarily pay the £42, but with my £10 off that I already paid, it brings it down to 32. So, yeah. Okay, so Stylist picks up total comes to £188.99. If you buy all 5, you get a 20% discount, which is £37.80. Therefore, the box would be £151.19, then take off your £10 styling fee, which brings it to £141.19. So I do like the boxes, like round about the 150. You can see the price difference is quite a lot between Enquiries. Stitchfix always comes out a little bit more expensive. However, there are quite a couple of high-end labels in there, so that's probably why with Stitch Fix. Enquiries do send high-end labels, but it may only be like one piece out of the whole entire box. Okay, so guys, leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think this box is a little bit boring? Give me some ideas what to ask for in the comment section. Yeah, leave your comments that I should ask my stylist for what exactly. And I'll ask her for them. So you make up your minds what you'd like to see me dressed in, and I'll ask Enquiries and Stitch Fix to see what they can do. Right, until we speak again, or I speak again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.